I'm now here with Matt Schmitz from ISCAR Metals. He is our grooving turning expert. He's right now the Chicago area manager, but he used to be the product specialist for this product. So yeah, tell me about what's the newest, latest, and greatest products from ISCAR in turning and grooving.
So look, there's a myriad of tools that are available now for the groove. This is a part off primarily, but like I said, there's just a myriad of different products that are available. But really what I'd like to key in on is the focus today is cool it through. Yep. Because we want to get
high-speed coolant, what it's all
exactly.
about. Yep.
So as you were talking about on your podcast this morning, we want to get that coolant down to the cutting edge as close as possible, right? So what we have, and this happens to be it's a VDI, right? And the tool is incorporated, or I should say the coolant through is incorporated with the tool. Now, more specifically, what we have is this type of a system. So from here to here is going to be about the same regardless of where you're at or what you're doing. But this component here, we have VDI, we have Capto, we have machine-specific holders that bolt right to the turret. Right. And that, in my opinion, is really the next step that we want to go with coolant through, because it simplifies everything. You're not messing with hoses anymore. It's a clean look. You don't have chips getting caught up on stuff. So This is what I would say is the latest and the greatest for part off, and it incorporates all of our product lines.
Great. How about the Tang? This is like one of the products that we love selling.
Absolutely. So I'll just try to grab this off of here so you can see it. So the Tang is a very, I'm going to say, simplistic design, but it is our latest generation in the, I'm going to say the single flute part off tool. All right. So this, of course, is a slotting cutter, but where the Tang really has the impact is it has the positive stop, right? So positive stop, and then when you're parting off, of course, the insert can't pull out of the pocket because it's held in by that Tang as well.
Right, so it just gives you more rigidity.
More rigidity, but also important, see if we can slide over here really quick. All right, so here's our part off blade. So this is going to be our latest system for the part off blade. Economics, right? So a lot of people have the 32-3, the 32 millimeter tall, 3 millimeter wide. Very popular blade that's on in processes. This is a 35 millimeter tall, but because the Tang doesn't require a top clamp, which allows better chip evacuation, allows the coolant to get in a lot easier if you're not using the coolant through. But because we don't have that top clamp, we can now take this insert pocket and generate one on the top and the bottom. All right, so we have a blade that's sold for about the same price as your standard 32-3 with 4 pockets instead of 2.